Turning to our Monte Carlo ceiling fans, the highly energy efficient Maverick features softly rounded blades, creating an elegantly simple housing. With a sleek, modern silhouette and a DC motor, Maverick is available in a 60-inch blade sweep or in the Maverick Max version with a 70-inch blade sweep. The fans feature 3 dark walnut, hand-carved balsa wood blades. Metal finishes are either brushed steel or matte black. Energy Star qualified, this fan is also damp rated for outdoor use in a covered area.
durable materials, so you can turn them on wherever or whenever you want, indoors and out. Nearly every fan has an LED luminaire dimmable to 1% or better. These lights are outstanding in their own right, but packed inside a Modern Forms smart fan? That's just unfair. A radio frequency RF wall unit comes with every fan for instant everyday control. And you can operate your fan with the exclusive Modern Forms app, which connects over Wi-Fi. That means you can control your fan whether you're at home or halfway around the world. Like using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant at home? You can control the Modern Forms smart fan with voice commands to most enabled devices. How about a smart thermostat like Nest or Ecobee? The smart fan can sync up with your HVAC unit to save energy in summer and winter. Inside every smart fan is a 6-speed DC motor, which runs 70% more efficient than AC. And it's much, much quieter. The only sound you'll hear is the air whispering through the room. All the finishes have an elevated look and feel, and are highly weather resistant, whether it's distressed koa, carbon fiber, or an automotive silver as sleek as a Maserati. Modern Forms smart fans revolve around you, your tastes, your schedule, your life. Make things simpler with Modern Forms smart fans.
Simple, clean, easy to install, and easy to use, WAC fans are smart looking and as intelligent as you want them to be. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials, most WAC fans are wet-rated, making them perfect for any space, indoors or out. Looking for more than just a fan? Add an attractive LED light, equivalent to 3 60-watt incandescent light bulbs. An energy-efficient, super quiet DC motor powers every fan, so you can stay cool without all the noise. Our DC motors consume 70% less energy than traditional AC fans, and all our fans are Energy Star rated, so you can be confident in your energy savings. Take your experience to the next level by downloading the optional WAC app to unlock smart features like voice control through your Amazon Alexa or Google Home device. Create schedules, integrate with smart home systems, and even bring the vacation home with breeze mode. Our controls set us apart. All WAC smart fans come packaged with a Bluetooth remote, offering you the ability to easily group and synchronize multiple fans, switch between summer and winter modes, and control fan speed and light brightness, all with the touch of a button. WAC smart fans give you options. Choose what you need when you need it, with a 5-year warranty and a lifetime warranty on your fan's motor. To learn more, please visit us at waclighting.com.